Hey guys, just a quick little review here of this new wallet I got about a week ago. So far I absolutely love how small and compact it is, coming from a normal bifold leather wallet. Um, it's made by a company in the US called Trayvax, and this is their Access version. Holds anywhere from 1 to 14 cards. Also has a little hidden pouch here that you can put change in or a key. Here's where you would put your bills. I don't have any cash on me at the moment. It's fully adjustable right here to fit however many cards you would need. So all you do is just pull this strap around, click it in place, and that's pretty much it.